My name is Marty. When I was 29 weeks pregnant, I had a life-threatening pregnancy complication. They had to deliver my son to save both his life and my own. We also found out my son had an unknown genetic condition. After a long stay in the NICU, he had a tracheostomy, a feeding tube, he needed oxygen, he needed medications every 2 to 3 hours, and he had lots of other medical equipment. We had a big problem though. Our private insurance was not going to pay for any nursing care when we were released. We appealed and appealed and appealed, but they would not budge. We had another problem too. Our private insurance decided our hospital stay was over. They weren't going to pay anymore and we were sent home. Fortunately, our hospital gave us 1 month of charity nursing care. We had 1 month to find a permanent solution. You see, I could not transport my son to doctor's appointments safely. If his trach became disconnected or he needed suctioned right away, if I could not find a place to immediately pull over, he could have died. We finally were able to get the Medicaid waiver. With the Medicaid, we got nursing care, and it allowed nurses to travel with us to the doctor's appointments. I was allowed to work. We even got some respite care, so my husband and I could have a date once in a while. Medicaid also paid for my son's specialized formula. They paid for his medical equipment rental. They paid for his prescriptions and numerous other items. Without Medicaid, we could never afford all the deductibles and the items that would have been denied by private insurance. We would have been financially bankrupt. The Medicaid really saved my son's life. Today, my son is 11 years old. He eats everything by mouth and he breathes on his own. It's thanks to Medicaid that he is where he is today. Thank you.
Medicaid stories are presented by the American Association on Health and Disability through the National Disability Navigator Resource Collaborative Project. To see if you're eligible for Medicaid, you can find local assistance near you at localhelp.healthcare.gov. See if you qualify for Medicaid and get covered.